How to delete a hard drive history. Typically, we find that people may know how to delete their browsing history, but they don't know how to delete the actual files that are on their computer from browsing the internet. When you browse the internet or use any programs, typically there are temporary files that are saved to your computer. And these can build up over time, creating an actual timeline and history of your computer's usage. So what I'm going to show you now is how to go and find those files and delete them. Most common operating system that we find we work with is Windows XP, so that's the one we're going to be using today. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that hidden files are shown. So you're going to go into the Tools and Folder Options menu. And you're going to click View, and then Show Hidden Files and Folders. Click Apply, and click OK. Once you have hidden files and folders shown, we're going to go into your main C drive, and you're going to find the Windows folder. It'll warn you that these files are hidden, and you're going to tell it to show them anyways. Once in here, we want to find the temp folder. Now this is a relatively new computer, so it shouldn't have that much in there. You see it does have a bit in here, but it's nothing drastic. So we're going to highlight everything. You can do that by pressing Control A, and then you're going to press Delete. You're going to click on Yes. I'm just going to go through and try and delete it. If it has a problem deleting a certain file or folder, it'll tell you. And you're going to click OK. You can hold Control and left click that folder so that it doesn't try and delete it again. And we're going to try and delete everything but that. You may find that there are a few files that encounter this type of problem. And accordingly, you're just going to deselect them and continue with the deletion process. Once done deleting everything possible out of that folder, we're going to go back a directory and back one more. And then we're going to go into the Documents and Settings folder. Here you'll see a list of all the users that are on the computer. You're going to go into a user profile, and you're going to go into the Local Settings folder. Once there, we're going to go into the Temp folder. Once again, highlighting everything and deleting. Removing any problems it has deleting certain files, and then continuing with the deletion process. You want to repeat this step for all users available. If they don't have a local settings folder, it's fine, just move on to the next one. And the other folder you want to go inside of local settings will be temporary internet files. Content. This is your Internet Explorer content. Lots of viruses like to try and hide in here and other problematic software too. So we're going to go through there and delete everything else everything that we can actually delete the entire folder. Another one is your browsing history is saved in cached folders as well. And once you've done this for all users, you haven't completed the process. You want to make sure you empty your recycle bin. Otherwise, all those items are still sitting on there.